everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is basically going to be giving you a home remedy for taking care of forehead acne or pimples, whatever you have. Most times some people don't have a lot of pimples on other parts of their face, but this place is usually like concentrated. This happens to people who tend to like fix hair with bangs, or probably if your hair gets into your face or any other thing, you tend to have a lot of like acne and pimples coming on this region, on this spot. And we have just one home remedy, or there are several home remedies basically, but today I'm just going to give you something that is very simple that will take care of this. The simple ingredients I'm going to be using is garlic. So if you want to see what I'm going to be doing, just keep on watching this video. I promise it's going to be short and fast. This is my key ingredient, which is garlic, and I'll be needing just 1 clove of this garlic. You need just 1 clove, you don't need so much per time. Garlic is a storehouse of antioxidants that help to boost natural reparative mechanisms which help to restore the balance of your skin. It is very helpful to cure pimples and acne. Garlic is very high in allicin, and it is this ingredient, the allicin, that gives it a pungent smell. So even if you don't like the smell, just know that that smell is what is helping you to take care of the skin blemishes or the skin issues you might have. So like I said, garlic is very high in allicin, and it has a lot of antioxidants that help to repair the skin. So I'm just going to grab my clove of garlic here, and I'll try to remove the skin. So I have my garlic here, and I simply just pop this in the microwave for about 20 seconds. This is so easy to remove the skin. The skin just glides out. So this is another hack. If you want to remove garlic skin, just put this in the microwave and it will just basically like slide out of there. I have my garlic already, and I'm just going to get my garlic crusher. If you don't have a garlic crusher, you can either blend it or grind it or mash it up in order to get the garlic paste. I'm just going to crush it severally. It's better for you to crush it so that you can get as much content of the garlic. So I have my crushed garlic right here. See? Just crush the garlic however you can. It's a lot easier for it to go on the face this way than in the clove form. So let's go to my face to see how I'm going to apply it. Here's my garlic, which I have already crushed. So if you have forehead acne, just simply rub it all over your forehead like so. Make sure you rub it. Sometimes I even go overboard and I try to like leave some on my forehead, and I use a bandage to secure it. If you want to do this, it's okay for you, but if not, you can just rub it on your forehead like for about 2 minutes, making sure that all the garlic residue is on your face as much as possible. So rub this very well. Trust me, if you have a pimple, by the next day it will have really gone down, and if you have acne, in less than 3 days your acne will disappear. All those tiny spots, all those tiny rashes, pimples and everything really goes away with garlic, because of the garlic allicin, or the allicin that is contained in garlic. Garlic is filled with a lot of antioxidants, it's antibacterial, it's antifungal, and to help to treat all those blemishes, acne and pimples that you have on your face. So this is the remedy, and this is the tip for today for those that battle with forehead acne or pimples or whatever. When you apply garlic on that spot, it will definitely help it go. If you enjoyed my video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, but don't stop there. Please share this video, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also turn on the notification bell for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Just stay beautiful. Bye, lovelies.